Alright guys, welcome to the Monday Directions video. This week starting our new unit, Greece. So I figured we'd start off kind of slow, and obviously we're going to start all the way back at the beginning. So your assignment today is just this Greece reading guide. Again, just one of the sections from the book. But it does a good job of kind of laying the story for us. So as you can kind of see here, I'm just going to go over some geography stuff to kind of, because geography does play a big role in Greece because basically it's really hilly and has a bunch of mountains, and so it really isolates people from each other. So we get a bunch of little pockets or city states that pop up, and because of the natural features around it, they're kind of isolated to start. So we're going to see all these different city states are going to have totally different cultures, and they're going to focus on some areas. For example, like Athens will focus on like education. And then, like we all know, Sparta is going to focus on war. So we'll look through that, and that all kind of comes up with geography. But we're going to go all the way back to the Mycenaean civilization, back where Greece begins. So we'll go. You guys will read through all that. And again, it won't be a video if my phone doesn't go off. So you look at the Mycenaeans and the Minoans. The one cool thing you're going to look at here is the Trojan War, right, with the horse. And then you just keep rolling your way through Homer, the epics, the Iliad, the Odyssey. These will be on the quiz right here for sure. Homer, he's really important for us. And then Greek mythology. And then obviously down here, we're just doing the terms. All those. We're skipping 2 and we're skipping 9. So just do the terms 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And do that on a separate Google Doc and turn that in, and you'll have your job done for today. Tomorrow we're going to move on, and we're going to be taking notes and kind of making our way through Greece. So have a good one, guys, and I will see everybody on Tuesday if you're not here today. Also, remember, Pharaoh projects are due today, so make sure to turn in your Pharaoh project, or make sure your group members turn it in with your name on it. All right, have a good one, guys. Good luck. Hopefully you guys find this interesting. And again, we're more setting the stage today for bigger stuff down the road. Talk to you guys later.